Alright everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you sign up for a Telegram account or Telegram app. To sign up or create your Telegram app, first of all, you need to make sure to install the app from your respective app store, be it your Google Play Store or App Store. So then once you are done installing it, you want to go ahead and click on the sign up button. After which, it's going to ask you to sign in or sign up using your phone number. So there is no other way you could sign up without your phone number. First thing, select your country of your resident and then enter in the phone number. Then tap on the next from the top right. So for the verifying, to verify, a SMS will be sent or some sort of OTP will be sent, which you need to enter it. As you're done entering it, you then need to go ahead and click on the next from the top right. Go ahead and fill in your information. You could upload a picture, that is your profile ID, and create a username and all that information and click on next. As soon as you're done with this procedure, now then you've successfully created your Telegram account and you're now ready to explore the Telegram app. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.